You can see cross-hatching on the cylinder walls. We can actually see the bottom of our valves and the bottom of the head. The good people over at Kaiweets sent me the KBA02 Articulating Industrial Borescope. This thing is awesome, and I'm excited to review it for you guys today. Let's get into some of the stats. Screen size 4.3 inches, camera diameter is 6.5 millimeters or 1/4 inch, cable length 5¼ feet, image resolution 1920 by 1080. Very good picture on this thing. I've already played with it, I couldn't help. It's a CMOS sensor, 90-degree viewing angle. It is waterproof, IP67, battery life about 5 hours, Type-C charging ports, so it's rechargeable. The other thing I really like about this product is it comes with a 32 gig memory card already. So when you take live video through the Borescope, you can just record it right on the scope and then pull the memory card out, slap it in your computer, and boom, bam. I've done that for you today, so you're gonna see what the image looks like. Let's get it open. So this is what it looks like in its box form. Again, this is the KBA002 Borescope. Packaging is pretty simple. Comes in a nice zipper cloth case, foam inlays so it holds it in place. Here's the Borescope. Comes with a charging cable. It also comes with attachments for the camera, which I think is kind of cool. You have a hook, so if you drop a part down into the engine bay somewhere and you can see it with the Borescope, you can hook onto it. Comes with a magnet for parts as well. And then it comes with a mirror so you can look around a corner or something if you have to. Nice that they included those. You get instructions, of course, and you get cleaning cloths for the lens. I'm pleasantly surprised with the quality of this case, because a lot of times you get kind of crappy cases when you buy items like this. But this one will last a while. Chuck it in your toolbox and it's going to protect your Borescope. Speaking of the Borescope, let me zoom in on the screen so you can see it will power it up. The image you're seeing is actually of the inside of the cover for the Borescope lens. Watch what happens when I pull this off. So here's the display, but let me just show you how close up we can get to certain pictures here. Again, you guys are looking at the screen through my camera, and I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna get about an inch away from the box. So that's the type of resolution. I'm about ½ inch away from the box right now. So the camera, in my opinion, has a great image. Let's roll through some of the functions here. You notice up at the top we have a little camera icon. If you click that, you're gonna take a picture. If you hold down the camera button, you'll get a video screen, so you can record video with this item. You can change orientation of the screen, right side up or upside down, using this button over here. You do have a settings screen over here where you can set the settings, recording labels, sounds, all that stuff. The unit does have an articulating head. So as I rotate this wheel up, you'll see the camera move. And if I rotate it back, you'll see it move the other way. Very helpful in looking around corners and finding tight spots. There's a light on the front of the camera. If you press this button to the right of the wheel, you'll get an LED, and it does have 3 brightness levels. On the memory section over here, if you click that M, you're gonna get to your pictures. If you hold that button down, the back of the unit also has a light on it. It is rechargeable, as I mentioned earlier. You have the USB-C connection. There's where your memory card goes. And there's a reset button. Other side doesn't have anything. Here's what the top looks like. Here's what the bottom looks like. The unit weighs just under 300 grams, so it's very light, very easy to carry it around. Things to be aware of with a tool like this: just be very careful about your lens. When you're not using it, put the cap on. When you're bending your cable around, just make sure you don't get it at a 90-degree angle. Don't do like with your cable. Okay, let me find a hole to stick this thing in. So I've removed cylinder number 1 spark plug on the cruiser here. What you're looking at is actual footage shot straight with the device itself. So we're down inside the cylinder now. You can see cross-hatching on the cylinder walls. You see the top of the piston very clearly. If I use the articulation wheel and rotate that camera 180 degrees up, we can actually see the bottom of our valves and the bottom of the head. And you're down into a cylinder that is pretty far down, bottom dead center possibly. So it's very dark inside this hole, but with the included light, you can see everything. I was trying to find ways to show you how small the camera is, and I got an idea. Here is a straw from Quick Trip. Let's see if it'll fit. all the way through, no problem. Check the screen out as I remove it. Almost feels like you're watching a medical procedure. Speaking of medical procedure, I know I don't have to tell you guys that this is not a medical device, yeah? So I'm filming this entirely on the Kaiweets Borescope. We are inside my truck. Now, one thing I've kind of been curious about, what does the AC vent look like? So let's see what happens. I gotta rotate the wheel a little bit. Let me go the other way. Okay, here we go. Look around, it's down, we go up, and we're moving down into the AC system. Let me start this thing up and see if we can get the panel door to move. You can look down. There's an air channel. Looking up. Oh, hey. And then this appears to be my recirculation door. Doesn't move very far, does it? I sure was expecting more out of a recirc door, but hey, it's moving. Want to look at your brake pads without taking the wheels off? Plenty of life left on those. The possibilities are really endless when it comes to car stuff. Let's see what it can do with household items. You want to see how nasty your gutters are? That's a little bit of leaves in my gutter. I probably should clean those out. Yeah, I need to clean that out for sure. Not to tell you all my business, but I have this weird thing on my property that I don't know what it is. And I'm scared to go down there. So this would be the perfect inspection tool. What's happening down here? Okay, I don't really know. Didn't answer my question, but at least I was able to look at it without sticking my hand in there. So what are my thoughts on the Borescope from Kaiweets? In my opinion, if you are a mechanic, whether it be car, diesel, or whatever, a Borescope will come in handy. I've always had my eye on one. I've just never found one I liked, one I wanted to buy. If you've seen my reviews before, you know I'm going to tell you the truth. This thing is fantastic. It really is. I know I drop bolts and sockets and stuff down in engine compartments all the time. You can use it for troubleshooting. You can diagnose head gaskets with it, you know, if you have cylinder leakage. I showed you the HVAC part of it. The articulation is mesmerizing. You can basically go 360 degrees and go all the way around. When you store it, you want to make sure that that's just upright. Just a little hint for you. If you've shopped around in the past and you didn't pull the trigger quite yet, this is the one to get. I've seen crappy Borescopes before. Can't even tell what you're looking at. This one, 1080p HD, it's worth it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you use a Borescope, let us know what you use it for. I think some people know kind of what they would use it for, but if you have kind of an obscure use for a Borescope, let us know. Product link down in the description, so make sure you check that out for a little bit of a discount. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like and consider hitting that subscribe button and the share button. I work with a lot of mechanics and technicians out there that could benefit from one of these, and a lot of times they just don't know about it. If you have additional comments, make sure you leave them down below. I always appreciate the interactions. And as always, thank you for watching.